Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to disable or enable all animation effects in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, let me try to open one program. So right now you can see the animation effects, so you can clearly see, right? So in order to disable or enable all animation effects in Windows computer, what you need to do is just open the settings. Now on the left side you can see your accessibility, just click on it. Now on the right side you can see your visual effects, just click on it. Now you will see here animation effects option. So by default this option will be turned on, so if you turn it off, and now if I try to minimize this window, so now you can see here it's not showing any animation effects, as you can see. Let me try opening other program. So now you can see here, so you can see no more animation effects. And if you want this animation effects again, just open the settings again and just turn on this animation effects again. And now let me try to minimize it. Now you can see the animation effects is showing up. Let me try to open the other program again, so you can clearly see animation effects is showing up again. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily disable or enable all animation effects in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.